Papa Extra, hit the road, let's go. Backpack packed, we're ready for the show. From mountain trails to the riverside stream, fishing poles, ready chasing big dreams. Roblox, Fortnite, Minecraft nights, building, surviving, we're reaching new heights. Content creator, lights, camera, action. Subscribers tuned in, giving satisfaction. Papa Extra's on the run, we'll do the sun having fun.
Whitening package!
Whitening package!
Walang iba kundi si! Ay,
Pakita mo yan.
Pakita, ipakita! Si Mr. Abinada!
Ano?
Ano?
Hair treatment package. Ang laman ng hair treatment package natin. Shampoo!
Shampoo!
Ito na yung raffle na ayaw ko.
Big efficacy oil.
Dior! Deodorant!
Ano kaya sige?
Orange! Tablet! Tablet! PC! PC! Ano yan? PC! Oh, tablet at PC! Pansit Canton!
Proudly given to Jomari Valis for his reliability is the ultimate go-to person whenever help is needed. Always ready to assist, solve problem and save the day with his mind. For the next award is the Hilig Idol Award. It's on concert tour. People don't sleep near him. They attend a live performance. Tickets are free, but the sleep is not included. To Peter de la Cruz for his effortlessly calm presence that turns even the most chaotic days into smooth sailing. For our next throughout the workplace. Michael Vincent Angeles for his effort in learning Japanese language. He sprinkles and excel like seasoning in every conversation.
Sample!
Castro for being a master of last-minute magic. Makes every touch sound like a tragedy, side through the process, but somehow delivers right on time. Rosella Luyana for his obsession with keeping everything steady and in perfect order, the ultimate master of organization who makes chaos disappear. And finishing task when everyone else has gone home. Work doesn't stop when the clock hits 6. It's just the beginning of this year. Edmund Bosque for his unmatched dedication as the error exterminator. Swift, precise, and merciless. He's the ultimate error filter. Nothing escapes his radar. The moment his name pops up in the chat, you can feel the air tunnel like a deadline approaching. The award is proudly given to Sir Ryan Tan for his unstoppable energy and passion for fitness. Always the first to organize fun runs and outdoor adventures. Inspire everyone to lace up and join the movement beyond the office walls. Award is the Millionaire Mind Award is proudly given to Sir Wilfredo Carpilar for his passion for financial freedom and big future thinking, always sharing tips on investment, crypto trends, and ways to turn ideas into wealth. Staying fresh and cool with a sprinkle of powder every time with the camera's roll, she arrives in a cloud of confidence. I I also
Siyempre sa nagbosa, the Yellow Basket Award is presented to Ma'am Sheen Rica Dasono for his or her business in keeping the office stocked with snacks, treats, and surprises. Always ready to sell goodies and save the day during hunger emergencies and long meetings.
Tayo na sa sayo. Ang ginawa namin, nilagyan namin ng twist. So, bale, may prepare kami mga joke. Tapos, ang game is, pag hindi kayo natawa, doon lang kami sasayaw. Tapos, pag tumama kayo,
Oh, sira.
pag walang tumawa, yun. Pag walang tumawa, doon lang kami sasayaw.
Kahit gano'n ka ba po?
Pwede ngumiti, pero bawal tumawa. Bale, during the joke lang. Tapos by level siya. Saka, bale, 4 levels. So, ikot kami ng 4 na level. So, sa level 1, ganun din yung level 1 lang. Hanggang sa mag-level 4.
Ang may ice cream, saksakan na lang bibig pag butawa ha.
Pero,
Ay, ganito na. Wala kami.
subo mo na yung ice
Oo,
cream.
busin joke lang. Ay, sige, kaya.
Kaya.
Ano? Tama, tama. Wala pa, wala pa.
Pag natawa ko, subo ako.
Ano kung kayo yung tumawa sa joke nyo?
Kaya nga, sasayaw sila.
Hindi pwede. Anong tawag sa lumpia na magkakasama?
Ano?
Together.
Tumawa, oh. Tumawa, tumawa.
Ay, may isang tatay ako, di ba?
Hindi, kumama si Alvin eh. Si Ryan pala.
Ay, wala hindi kasali yan sa inyo. Attachment dyan, attachment.
Okay, mauna si Mixer. Mauna si Mixer.
So, first joke of the night. Nag-courtesy of Sir Ryan. So, ano ang cellphone ni Darren Espano?
No.
Eh di Maui.
Ay, continue na lang yung joke. Ay, sumaya ko.
Kasi level 1 pa lang, so hindi mo namin din.
Kaya pala din nila yung na-hyper. Galing.
Iyan mo na si Irvin, default si Irvin. Wala yun.
Kahit naiiya yun, natatawa.
So next joke. Anong sabi ng baby lastiko sa nanay na lastiko?
Ano?
Go, ma!
Music! Music!
Daya.
Balik ka lang, Rulo.
Ano ang sabi ni Juan sa aso niya?
Next, go.
Tutuloy ko. Ano ang sabi ni Juan sa aso na sumasayo?
Ano?
Wow, ang galing, may aso na sumasayo. Okay, okay.
Ano ang paboritong pagkain ng vampira?
Ano?
Hindi binuguan.
Ako nagpe-play eh.
Bakit may black eye juice?
Bakit?
Kasi nasa pack siya.
Music!
Last round, last round. Ang level na ba yan? Level 1 pa lang. Level 1 pa lang. Parang level 1 lang. Bakit hindi uminom ng coke ang mga pare?
Bakit?
Kasi sila ay mga juice.
Music!
Oh my God, Ryan!
Sorry.
Ay, pakilala na Ryan! Pakilala sa'yo na ito!
The song so far. The sound.
Next job. Level 2, level 2. Last na. Bawa naman kayo.
Ay, last na? Sige, tatawa na tayo.
Boss, last na?
Balik tayo maray pag tumawa kami. Sasayaw. Ano yan? Balik tayo mo. Tatawa kami.
Huwag natin kami natagayin ka.
Last na ba yan?
Anong tawag sa pusit na buntis?
Ano? Music!
Let's go!
Narinig pa ako! Narinig ka!
The song so far.
Next. Maybe.
Wala ba kayong legit na nakakatawa dyan?
Nako, kalaban yung development yan. Sorry. Kahit anong tawa yan, walang tawa.
Grabe naman. Gusto mo bitaw ko yung joke ni Boss Pete? Anong country yung mabaho? Ganun.
Matawa ka sila.
Si Boss Pete ano yun ha? Si Boss Pete pa lang yun.
Anong tawag sa friend mo matangkad?
Ano?
Editol. Anong tawag mo sa pwede mo hindi matapat?
Ano?
Litol.
Music!
Ang tawa agad eh, no?
Yay!
Balik mo dun.
Alam niya lang yung playlist niya, babuin.
Yun lang tatlo yung playlist nyo.
Music niya.
Mamaya hindi nyo na masayaw yung iba dyan.
Last na, nakakapagod ng sumayaw. Grabe yun yung banat.
Actually nakakatawa joke nyo eh, kaso sabi huwag tayo tumawa, di ba?
Okay, ito last.
Try nyo kami galingan yung delivery.
Anong aso ang laging nasa pinuno?
Ano?
Ano?
Pulutan.
Ay, po, legit yan. Nakakatawa yun. Ay, nakakatawa yun. Legit yan.
Music! 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 Music!
Akala ko sasabihin niya, sasabihin na eh.
Bospet.
Jose, Bospet! Bospet!
Salamat yung yan, pero... Kaya wala si Johnny.
Oo, balik ta rin. Pag tumawa kami, sayaw kayo.
Wala kang kagaya ng kakamba.
It's Papa Extra, gather round. I wanna share some love, hear that sound. To all my members, subscribers too. This song's for you, yes it's true. Thank you for all that you do.